Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. There is a recipe that has been taking the world by storm, and it's called whipped coffee. It comes out of South Korea, and I'm attracted to anything coffee flavored, and it is absolutely delicious. Well, around here we call it something a little bit different. And it's great because it's very simple to make. It's only 4 ingredients. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Put it in a decent sized bowl. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I happen to like raw sugar. You can also use regular sugar. 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling. This is just hot water from the tap. 2, 2, and 2. You get your electric hand mixer and you just whip it. And that took, several minutes. But that's what you want it to look like, kind of a caramel color and almost like whipped cream, only heavier. Whipped coffee. And here's how I like to serve it. I just heated some milk up, so it's nice and hot. And I like maybe about 2/3 of the milk, and then you put this fluffy coffee on top. Plenty of it. And this is one of those recipes you can really play with. You can make iced coffee out of this and put some cold milk in there. You can also throw in a little shot of whiskey or Kahlua. This is such a treat. And that's all there is to it. Now, because this fluffy coffee is so thick, this is a drink you have to play with. So I'm going to reach down through it, get a little milk. I always start eating it with a spoon. This is addicting. It's kind of like ice cream, coffee ice cream, only it's not cold. And then you can start mixing it into your milk a little bit too. This will take you a while to get through. And now I know why it's popular all over the world.